our core activity. So here we can see the table of the climate change of the year 1905. And you can see here the months and the temperature according to each month.
Hi, I'm Luis and I'm going to show you how to obtain the symmetry axis and the amplitude for a graph. To obtain the symmetry axis, we need to first obtain the amplitude. To obtain the amplitude, you take the highest value, which is 83, and then subtract from it the lowest value, which is 35.4. This equals to 47.6. And then you need to divide this value by 2. And the result, 23.8, is the amplitude for a graph. And then to obtain the symmetry axis, you just need to add this number, 23.8, to the lowest value, 5.4. And the result of this addition, 59.2, is the symmetry axis for a graph.
Okay, so in order to get the phase shift, what you have to do, or what we did because it's easier, is that we number our variance. So once you have done this, you have to figure it out where to put your graph in order to match your variance. So what we did is that we found out that our smallest number is in the position number 2. So this is why we're gonna move our graph to the right. 2 points. So our symmetry axis, our phase shift is gonna be -2.
Okay, so in order to get the period, you need to use this formula. And b is equal to 12 because we have 12 variables. So we solve that, and this is our period.
Your table with the number and the temperature of each month, you will have to make a chart basing where each temperature stands in a graph. So what we did in our first point is that we started adding the data that we have. So first of all, we start with the symmetry axis, so our graph is located in the right point according to the y-axis. Then what we did is that we added the amplitude. So this is gonna tell us how much our graph is gonna stretch, so it fits the points that we have in our climate change graph. Then we added the phase shift, which is -2, so it really stands where points locate. Last step is to write the period, so we find out where does our graph is going to stop. So because December is our last month, we took that number and got the period, so it's 0.52, which we wrote, as you can see, in the original function. So as you can see, it matches the points that we have on our chart.